Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Did you know that you can add more than just recipes to your Plan to Eat meal planner? We have the option in both the app and the website to plan notes and ingredients on your planner. You can use notes on your planner just like reminders. So we like to use notes to remind ourselves when we're going to somebody's house for dinner or we're getting takeout that night. Ingredients are slightly different from notes in that when you add an ingredient to your planner, it also gets added to your shopping list. So this is great for one-off items that you want to remember in your meal plan, but you also need to be added to your shopping list. So these could be things like oatmeal or eggs that you don't necessarily need a whole recipe for, but you need to remember to buy them. You can find help articles showing you how to add notes and ingredients to your planner in the description below. And if you have any questions, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.